This video is for the area of rhombi and kites notes. So we're going to start with a rhombus. So the area of a rhombus is A equals, let me see if I can't find a better pen. A equals 1/2 of diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So D stands for the length of one of the diagonals. So if we've got this kite here, and it says PR is 4, so that's this one is 4, and then QS is 6. That's this one. Those are the two diagonal lengths. To find the area, we would just do half of one diagonal times the other diagonal. 4 times 6 is 24. Half of 24 would be 12. And then area we write in square units. So if these are inches, then our area is going to be inches squared. Okay, a rhombus has an area of 84 yards and one of the diagonals measures 14 yards. Find the measure of the other diagonal. So we can still use this formula, but we know the area this time. We know one of the diagonals. What we don't know is the other diagonal. And so for this one, we can solve it. And so the other diagonal is 12, but here it's going to be 12 yards. All right, find the area of the kite. YW, so that's this diagonal, is this expression. WO is this, and then ZX is this one, is 18. So sorry, I'm looking through this really quick. So we need to find the length, okay? Since we have an actual measurement here for ZX, we need to find the actual measurement of YW, okay, instead of this expression. So YW is going to equal 2 times WO, because they bisect each other. 2 times WO. So we can plug what we know in. YW is negative 3x plus 62, and YO is 23 minus x. So we can do menu 3-1 and solve for x. So x equals 16. And then to figure out what YW equals, we can plug a 16 in for that x. And so YW is going to equal 14. So now I have the measurement of both diagonals. Now I can find the area. Area equals half of one diagonal times the other diagonal. And so my area is going to equal 126 feet squared. All right, let's look at a kite. A kite has the exact same formula for area. It's going to be half of one diagonal times the other diagonal. So BD is 8, CE is 12. So area is going to equal half of one diagonal times the other diagonal. Half of 8 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. And again, area is in units squared, so yards squared. So fractions, a kite has one diagonal that measures 8/5 of an inch, and the other diagonal that measures 9/4 of an inch. Find the area of the kite. Same formula again. A equals 1/2 times 8/5 times 9/4. Okay, I'm going to do these fractions by hand. So I'm going to do 8 fifths times 9 over 4 first. 8 fifths times 9 over 4. 8 is 4 times 2. So this 4 cancels and this 4 cancels. 2 times 9 is 18. Just a 5 on the bottom. So that's what this equals right here. So now I have area is half of 18 over 5. 18 is 2 times 9. This 2 cancels that 2. 1 times 9 is 9, with just a 5 on the bottom. Okay, multiplying fractions. And then finally, a kite has an area of 874 feet squared, and one of the diagonals measures 38 feet. Find the measure of the other diagonal. So area equals half of one diagonal times the other diagonal. Okay. This one, if I wanted to solve by hand, half of 38 is 19. And then I could divide both sides by 19. And that other diagonal is going to be 46 feet. So that's it for this video.